Most students get this wrong, even if they are good at math. Olympiad questions may look simple, but they test deep understanding. We don't just teach students to count, we teach them to think about what they are counting.
So I will give practice 11 a read. Okay, so think about it as well. You have regular intervals, you have 190 rand stops. But look at it now, there's a bit of sort of double counting thing happening, and we don't want that to happen. Okay, so imagine you have 4 corners. Those are your rest stops. Think about how many rest stops are along the road. 181, no. 181 is a bit huge, right? You want to find the distance between the consecutive rest stops, right? But your total distance is only 60 km. So 181 does not seem actually possible. So over here, what we want to consider is we have 119 rest stops. But we want to actually find the number of rest stops between 2 towns. Okay, that's what we want to find first. So you have, ignoring the double counted stops, you actually have 115 remaining. And how many of this do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. So we want to split 115 divided by 5 to be 23 stops. And this 23 stops is actually between 2 towns, right? Yes? Okay, following up. So last one, between stops will actually be what? Just 60 divided by 24, right? 60 km divided by your 24 intervals. Each interval, yes, very good, 2.5 km. Okay, so for this, it may seem a little complicated at first because you're combining your double counting of your corners. So you actually have to subtract the corners away.
The final answer is 2.5 kilometers. Now here's another one students underestimate. It looks familiar. That's the trap. Don't rush, question your assumptions. In Math Olympiad, success comes from thinking differently. If you find this video helpful, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more math content like this one.
So over here is the same thing. We have 123 needed for the outer boundary. Okay, so you have actually divide by 4 sides, right? You have 30 intervals on each side, right? You have 30 intervals on each side. Now, 30 intervals on each side and 64 trees surround each street. So this thing over here is a street. What you want to do is you want to find out over here how many are there on both ends, right? You want to find how many are there on both ends because you know that here has 30, here has 30. So what you can do is 64 minus 30 times 2 and you actually get 4 remaining, okay? So you got 4 remaining. But that is not complete, right? So you know that 4 remaining is actually for a total of this top and bottom. What you want to find is you want to find each, which is actually 2 intervals at each end. So here you have 2, here you have 2. Yes, following? Then how do we find? Your total here is actually 30. Each interval distance is 2. Number of streets will actually be anyone. How do you find the number of streets?
15.
Yes, very good, 15. So 30 divided by 2, you have 15 strips.
The final answer is 15 strips.
If you would like to learn more from these tutorials, please smash that like and subscribe button.